Bitcoin is currently in the sandwich zone. The price is in between the SR flip area sa $115,000 na previous support. We are expecting this to be a resistance, and sa lower band naman niya, may SR flip area din to at around 110,000, which is the previous resistance naman, which we are expecting na magsusupport in case tumuloy yung pagbaba. Ngayon, what we are seeing right now is si Bitcoin is trying to regain itong trend line niya, the daily trend line, which started last April 2025. So, yung uptrend niya. So, ito na po yung pang tatlong touch sa trend line. Right now, we're trying to regain do sa loob ng trend line. I would say, no, pagka pumasok yan dito sa loob ng trend line at umakyat ulit sa 115. Dalawang condition ha. Umakyat ulit sa 115, we close above sa daily and trade above sa daily. There is a high chance that we are going to take out the 120, yung range natin na yon. Kasi most likely, ang tawag nila dito sa mga nag-SMC, liquidity grab. Trendline liquidity yan. Kumuha ng mga stop loss dyan dahil kala nila na biyak, tapos paakyat tayo. So there's a chance na basagin natin yung 120 if we regain the 115,000. Close above it and trade above it.